So nice to meet you all. If your camera is turned off, feel free to open it, but let's start. I'll share the screen. Just let me know that you can see it. Just put the thumbs up. Perfect. Awesome. So basically today, what I want to talk about is about AI and automations. We are entering an era in which no business, no coach can live without it and scale their business without it. So who am I and why are you here? So my name is Michael Rachovich. I'm 25. I born and raised in Israel. Since high school, I've been programming. In the army, I've been programming, working with computers, and I've built over 350 different automations for coaches and small and medium businesses. The automations range from CRM automations, content automations, lead gen automations, etc. Now, as we start, if you have any questions, Limor already told it, but if you have any question while I speak, there is a button that you can click that says raised hand. You can click that and I will see that you have a question, or just type it in the chat. Awesome. So we'll cover four main topics today. The first one is a bonus. If we have time, we'll touch it, but the three main one are the Instagram chatbot automations, LinkedIn outreach, and professional website building. So when it comes to Instagram, we want to ensure that in case you're active there, I would definitely deeply recommend it. But we want to ensure that the outreach and the DMs are as automated and as personal as possible. You probably saw a lot of times in different reels, in different posts, that the person that made the reel told if you comment the word coaching or the some sort of word, you'll get a free thing or you'll get a DM from them. So I created for you different automations, and one of them is this one, which is really popular these days. And I wanted to walk you through them so you can actually implement it on your end as well. So let's just click on that. And that's an automation that I already built, and I will walk you through it. I want to make it as practical as possible, not just talk about theory, and ensure that you're getting out of this presentation with as much data and practical data as possible. So right here, I'll share with you the link in a moment, but what we can do here is that when someone comments on a specific post or reel, we can choose the reel, and we click on next, and we say that this specific word, like for example coaching, they will get a DM here like, hi there, we can tell you, I'm so happy that you're here, thank you for your interest, click below and I'll send you the link in a second. So what you can do with that kind of automation, you can create different reels and posts based on your offers, and that way more people are getting exposed to it, and it shortens the time to get more leads and clients. So that's one thing. Does it make sense? I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't,
So basically, what I understand, Michael, is that when you post a reel, you add this automation. So if someone kind of, start a chat, automatically it sends this response.
Exactly. What you can also do here, this platform is called ManyChat, by the way, is whenever someone clicks on, say, like the button send you a message, you can add some FAQs. For example, like, what are your prices? What are your working hours? Do you provide delivery? It doesn't matter for coaching, but you can change the questions and the answers. So that way, instead of a person that reaches out to you, like normally they would wait like a couple of hours until you get back to them. But that way, they can get all the needed information right away. And let's look at the questions here. Yes, you'll get the links, you'll get the presentation as well. Now, Another really cool automation here is automating replies. Similarly to the FAQs, we can create an automatic reply. So whenever any person, any lead sends you a direct message on Instagram, you can create a response right away. So we can change it here within like 24-hour window, and you can tell whatever you want here. So thanks for reaching out. Feel free to check out my website in the meantime, and you can add the CTA. Feel free to book a call with me and send your Calendly link, or send them your website or different client testimonials that you have. So people, until you actually get back to them, they are warming up. And another thing that you should know, that's the place where all of those automations are hosted in. I will send you the link, of course. You see here basic automations. You can create different automations. For example, say hi to new followers. Every new follower that comes to your Instagram page and follows you, they will get a message. Conversation starters, the FAQs, as I showed you. Story mention reply. So for example, if someone mentioned you in their story, they will get a message or some sort of a gift from you. And main menu. There are many things that you can set up here. Those are the basic ones and the easiest ones to set up. Now, I wanted to give you a free month to each and every one of you. That's an affiliate link for ManyChat. You can use it for a whole month, set any automation that you like, and start moving the needle with that. So let me just send the link here in the chat, and you can do it whenever you want. It can be right now, it can be after the presentation, but it's important that you take advantage of it.
Can I ask a few questions from the audience?
Of course, yes.
So one question was about the slides. Are you willing to share them?
You don't see anything?
No. I mean to share the slides after the recording.
Yes, of course. I will share it.
And there was a question about free tools because this is a paid tool, if I understand correctly.
That is a pay tool, yes.
Yeah. So and there was a question if there is a free platform.
From my every platform that respects itself and gives good delivers good value won't be free. Okay, so usually they offer those 14 days for free or a month for free, so you can play around, but at the end you will have some sort of a subscription. So I'm not aware of a platform that is good, that works for free.
And this platform is just for Instagram or for other platforms as well?
Yeah, so you can have quite a few things with ManyChat. Let me just show you real quick. There is WhatsApp automations and more. 1 second. Yeah, it doesn't show it here, but if you go to the main website, for some reason I'm some sort of a subdomain, but you can do it for WhatsApp. I'm pretty sure you can do it on Facebook as well and automate the process on those platforms too. So yes, to answer your question, yes.
Wonderful. Any other questions from anyone?
Yes, that's the time for questions. So if you want to unmute yourself, feel free to do it and ask it. Oh, 100%. And the next part is creating a professional website. My personal favorite platform to do that is Lovable. You probably heard about this platform. It's like one of the fastest growing companies in the world right now. And what's cool about it is you don't need to know any code. You can do your website's coaching specific, and they're already mobile optimized. So before like when I prepared for this webinar, I created a sample website for coaches. Let me just show you how it looks like. One second. Okay. So it took me like 5 minutes at best to create that website. You can see here different testimonials. You can literally plug testimonials of your clients and it will look like that. You can add different errors so more testimonials will appear. You can connect your calendar link to book a call with you and also watch success stories. So you can add anything that you want with this tool. And the cool thing is you can ask, it looks like ChatGPT at the end. You can put here anything that you want and it will do it in a matter of seconds. Now, something that is important to know, you don't want to just spam different prompts because in the free version you have like 15 or 20 credits if I'm not mistaken that can be gone like that very fast. And in order to save those credits, you want to use another tool that is called Grok. Grok is the competitor of ChatGPT right now and has been founded by Elon Musk. And what's cool about it, you can actually tell it, like, I want to create a coaching website that looks really good with vibrant calls inside lovable, craft me a prompt to create a top-notch website. That's something that I wrote it. And here is the prompt, like it gives you already the colors, the key elements, the composition, everything that you imagine is already inside this prompt. And if you want to change it, I would recommend you changing the prompt inside Grok. And when it is ready, you just copy and paste it to, why can't I see it? Okay, to Lovable, and you can create that website right here. You just copy and paste it right here and it will create you the website. What's also cool with that, if you don't have any idea of what the website should look like and you don't want to start creating prompts, you have a whole bunch of templates of people that already created successful website and you can just edit them. So you can see the all sort of websites here. For example, this one. Websites that look really, really good that you can just remix and create your version of it. I will send you the link for that right away. And I see that Raya asked a question, could you show the process with the site from 0 point? What you mean about it is like from the point of actually creating the prompt or something like that?
I think she meant from scratch, like starting from scratch without anything.
Okay,
Like how
so
you create a prompt on Grok and then how you use Lovable. That's what I understand.
yeah, so exactly as you see here. Let's do it even together. Raya, if you want to share your niche and like who exactly you target, let's do a website for you right now. So feel free to unmute yourself and we'll do it in around 5 minutes. You'll have a website. If you don't want to unmute yourself, anyone else that wants to get a website, feel free to unmute yourself and we'll do it for you. If no one wants, I will share with you again the process and you.
I'm happy to share, but I want to give others opportunity if anyone wants to be the guinea pig. Everyone is super quiet today.
I think we're a little bit overwhelmed.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's too much.
For some people that are not too technical, yes, it is. It's very hard to remember it all. Lucky us that you'll send us the.
Yeah, you don't have to remember anything because we'll have the recording and the slides and everything.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, 100%. Like, if anyone has a question about things that I spoke like a few minutes ago in the previous things, you can ask it. Like you don't need to hold it yourself and be overwhelmed. I'm here to explain and ensure that you understand everything correctly.
So for the sake of the exercise, Anna, do you want to share your kind of niche or you want me to do mine with the sharing the website?
Let's do it for you. Or you talking to Anat?
Yes. It's up to you.
You go ahead. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
So my niche is women in tech, women in tech leadership, and help them gain confidence, improve their visibility, and eventually advance to, higher leadership roles. And mainly I work with women in engineering, but not just, my website is not just saying engineering. Yeah.
Okay. I target women in tech that want to.
Too fast?
Hmm?
Did I talk too fast?
Just a little bit, just so I'll be able to write it. So I target women in tech who want to improve
their visibility,
Mm-hmm.
gain more confidence, and advance their careers. Basically, get a promotion or advance to a different role.
Okay, so I just sent it to Grok and then it basically creates me a whole prompt here that I can copy and paste inside Lovable. Let's see.
And
Of course, it's
for Grok, I wanted to ask you, how do I test it? If you're saying, okay, I don't want to use the credits in Lovable, how do I test the prompt before I put it in Lovable that it's a good prompt?
yes. So first of all, I deeply recommend you to read the prompt, ensure that is actually accurate to what you want to create. Then you can ask prompt to change different things, maybe the color palette or the anything that's written here. So those are the page structures. If you don't like something and you want to change it, you just select it, add to chat, and you ask it to change it to blah blah blah.
Okay, let's see what we got. I'm curious.
Okay, let's see. Copy. You paste it here, and we'll give it a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds to create it.
That's cool.
After that, you can of course add it to your main website, to your domain as a subdomain. So for example, if your website is limor.com, I'm just saying, it would be like page at .limor.com, something like that.
Yeah. How is that? I'm just curious while we wait. How is that compared to, because I have a WordPress website to the Elementor AI?
To be honest, I'm not really using WordPress or Elementor. Most probably, like the reason people use Elementor and Elementor AI is because they want to have hands-on, like with changing things, and they have that kind of like abilities to really play with the website. So that one you just need to like craft a prompt without really needing to know anything about crafting website, building website. And so you can see it thinking and explaining you exactly what it works on live. And in a few moments it will be ready. In the
May I ask?
meantime, yes, of course.
And what about if you have already some contents you want to put inside the website?
Like blog?
No,
Or
in general, if you have already created the contents for your own website, should
that
I
would be
instruct
great.
the machine, no?
Yes, what you would need to do is to put it right here. So
Ah,
I want to create a prompt for a lovable website. That's the first line, and then explain your niche. And below that, tell it like I already have the content for the main page. So you put it
for
here.
example, in a Word document, so I can upload this file to be read by the machine, no?
Exactly. Or you can just copy everything inside Word and paste it here.
Oh,
So like you say to the that I already have content for the main page. Inside those brackets, you put all the content from the Word document and
okay,
you tell it, put it like that without changing a word.
okay,
Okay, so it's important to be very direct with AI so it understands exactly what you want to do.
yeah, okay, thanks.
Does that answer the question?
Yeah.
Awesome. If anyone else has any question, feel free to unmute yourself and ask before we move forward to the next step.
Yes, it's
Okay.
taking some time.
Yes, it takes
So
some
maybe
time.
if we don't have time now, maybe you can send like the link to the or like a screenshot of the what you got later on. So we just
Yes, of
I can
course.
include it in the record.
Of course. And I will share inside the chat the link for lovable featured projects so you can take inspiration from other people and remix it with your own niche. So let's move to the next step here.
I have a quick question: Grok versus ChatGPT. Which
So
one do you use for what?
yeah, for ChatGPT is really good for content creation and things that are more, how we say it in English, יצירתי.
Creative?
Yeah, more creative side of things. Grok is more about research.
Copywriting.
What do you
Copywriting.
say?
And
Copywriting.
copywriting.
Yeah, copy is good. Like inside ChatGPT, I really like to use Grok when I need to research things. So you can tell it inside Grok, for example, to do research. Like you see this button, think harder. This button basically tells Grok to start researching the whole web. So instead of using Google, it can research you hundreds of different blogs, pages, and give you the right answer, the most accurate answer for what you're looking. And the answers that I get here are very, very accurate. And for prompts as well. The prompts are very elaborated and look really good.
And do you recommend the paid version?
Yes, because on the free version you have only a few tries you can do use per day with the best
Model?
version of the AI. For example, with ChatGPT, you have only a numerous
Yeah,
tries with
ChatGPT already pay. I'm
the
just
limits.
curious about Grok.
Yeah, same for Grok. They don't give you the full access to it all the time. So if you're using it too much, you will end up kind of being downgraded to the not the best option, not the best version. Okay. So in the meantime, I will wait for Lovable to finish the website, and I want to walk you through the bonus section. When it comes to Facebook, to LinkedIn, you want to add some visual content, like pictures. You don't need to take pictures of yourself, etc. You can create them with AI. A few months ago, the pictures were horrible, like the quality wasn't good, but now we progress and it looks way better. So again, I use Grok for the prompt engineering here, and I use Gemini or ChatGPT Sora to create the pictures. Let me show you how it looks like. So what I explained here for the picture, CraftMeet prompt for Gemini. Gemini is the platform in which we create the pictures. To create a picture from a professional coaching brand, for a LinkedIn post I describe how to be a better family man. So it tells you exactly everything that you need. You can change different settings in the prompt. For example, if you don't want to do like for professional men, you can do it for women or lower age, stuff like that. You can play with that. And the results are really, really good. So inside Gemini, that is the results I received. I just copy and paste it from Grok to Gemini. And let's see. Okay, so for example, this is the picture. You can see it quite realistic, looks really good. This is with Gemini, and there is another software that I really like to use. It's called Sora. We also get really high quality pictures from Sora. You like same thing, you just copy and paste the prompt for the picture to either one of those platforms. So you can see it here. Looks really good. You can download it right away and plug it into your post. And the more good news, we have the website ready.
Hey!
So of course, Elena Martinez, it's not you. You can change the name. We didn't specify the name, but looks very professional.
Incredible. Very
Yes,
impressive.
you can add different testimonials, change the pricing, add your calendar link when you want people to book the call, etc. And of course, add your links for social media. So you see, like it took me like 5 minutes maybe to craft the prompt and plug it here. And from here, you can basically change the names and tweak it as you want. Awesome. Anybody has any question before we wrap it up? And I will show you how to connect with me if you want, and how to get the Sales Navigator subscription. Okay. So if you want to have some support after this webinar, whether it is creating different Instagram flows, LinkedIn automations, creating you a website without you needing to play around with it, WhatsApp automations, and even carousels and branded images in LinkedIn, you probably see all around that the carousels on LinkedIn are getting a lot of reach. So I can create you an automation that creates those carousels from ground up. Whatever you need around the AI and automations, I'm here for you. And basically you can connect me on Facebook, right here, LinkedIn, and that's my phone number if you want to message me on WhatsApp, or like get anything else that you have, any other questions or any link from this presentation. I'll put the links right here in the chat. And yes, Sora is available in Israel. And Judith, thank you for joining. Thank you all for joining. Let me just send the links here so you can have it. second. Selena, you're absolutely welcome. Colette, you're absolutely welcome. Feel free to unmute yourself if you have a question again. That's the last chance for this webinar. Or if you just want to say something, feel free to unmute yourself.
When I have a question about Sora. So when I use ChatGPT, I use the app. I have the pro account or whatever, the paid account. Which model does it use for generating images?
So that's a different thing. It's all like OpenAI created different tools. The first tool is ChatGPT. The second tool is Sora, and etc. Sora is for images. ChatGPT is for all the rest. Does it make sense?
Yeah, because I generate images within ChatGPT, so I was just curious.
And they are like as good as inside Sora, or?
I usually use it for mockups, not for like real images.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, so Sora is basically like the only focused on crafting high quality images. That's basically it. Awesome. So again, if you have any question, just reach out to me on social media or WhatsApp. I hope you got value from it. If you're overwhelmed, just watch the replay. I'm sorry for overwhelming you, and ask me if you have any question. That's it from on my end.
Wow. Thank you so much, Michael. It was so valuable and so many things you shared.
Perfect. You're absolutely welcome. And it was a pleasure to see you all and meet you all. And I wish you to have a great evening.